Trust the journey even when you might not understand it. Spirituality is about understanding universal laws and how they work to make your life better, enjoyable, and fun. But also how to overcome hardships, gain wisdom, and trust the inner call of the higher self. For me, learning to trust that inner call was a journey in and of itself. I had to learn the ancient Kemetic idea of faith rather than the mind control idea of faith that Christianity used. Religious faith was about accepting their ideas without question, which is nothing but mind control. But the ancient Kemetic idea of faith is a powerful tool to help you create your world in the way you desire. It takes a totally different mindset and paradigm than what you were given as a Christian. I am a hard-headed, stubborn MF. Life had to teach me by kicking my ass over and over until I surrendered to the call. Now I've learned to trust even when I don't see all the steps needed to complete the journey. Learn to trust that inner voice. It's a journey in which fear will be a part of it, and you will have to overcome in your own way. In ancient Kemet, taking the path that no one has before is called the void. It's scary because it can be unknown. But if you use the basic technique of following your joy, you can be led through the void. It takes courage, but the reward can be massive. When you step into that void, trusting yourself is a major key in the journey. That trust is developed from self-love and appreciation for who you are. When you can trust your inner guidance, you may not know where the path will lead, but you can know that it will be for your greater good. The universe is a safe place and works in your favor. Trust it, even when you may not understand it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.